Hi guys, hope you are doing well today. Today we are going to make what I call the best breakfast sandwich ever, and you'll get to know the reason why. So for today's dish, we are going to need onion and one tomato, and that's about it. We will start off by chopping the onions thinly. I think that should be good enough for one sandwich, and we're going to chop up the tomato as well. Chop it up into thin slices. As I've told you before, the key to cutting fast and cutting efficiently is a good knife. So always keep your knife sharp. So to make this sandwich, we're going to need 2 slices of bread. You can use white bread. The brown bread is what I have available right now. Start by putting a good amount of butter. I have buttered the breads here. I'm going to put some tomato ketchup. Although it's unhealthy, for this to be tasty, you have to put a good amount of tomato ketchup. Spread it around. So now when you've spread your tomato ketchup, just lay in your onions. The more the merrier. And then the slices of tomatoes. And I'm going to put some salt, just a little bit, because tomato ketchup has salt and sugar there. And then season it with some black pepper. And we are ready to grill the sandwich. Let me cover this up. I'm going to butter the outside, and I've got my panini grill heating up. You can even make this on a tawa, just a little bit trickier, but it turns out good anyways. So before we go to the panini grill, I'm going to put butter on the outsides of the bread, and be generous with the amount of butter you use. Just makes it even more tasty. Good amount of butter over here. Then I'm going to butter the other side when I lay this on the grill. Good. So my panini grill here is nice and hot. I'm going to lay down the buttered side of the bread down on the grill. I'm going to quickly apply some butter on the top side of the bread. Be generous with the butter. It tastes amazing. And I drop the lid and let it cook. This is our bread sizzling on the grill. It's done. I'm going to take it off and serve it on a plate and show you how it looks. So guys, this is what the toast looks like, and I call it the best breakfast toast because of the simplicity it involves. It hardly takes 10 minutes and it tastes just amazing. So please try out this recipe. Like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye.